All right, Parnhash poem. I wish the world was a whole lot different than what it is, but it is what it is, isn't it? Not every parent knows how to raise their kid to live in it. That's the planet on which we live, so I deal with it. From New York to Uganda to Croatia, I have friends that tell tales of fathers that beat the mother, son, daughter, cousin, as well as every one of the siblings. And all parties involved adapt to Pavlov's laws of classical conditioning. We live in these horrible, uninhabitable conditions, the effects of pathological affliction, psychological neglect, a trap of addiction, in addition to disastrous family trees splintering. Are you familiar? The stimulus, pain, punishment, and reward system that ties and binds people in familiar organizations, but the institution is a process of constriction, contrition, conventions, conscription, and people that have no control over anger, so another family member is a victim. It becomes a war of attrition. So yeah, I do understand the damage to the psyche. It's nightly, man hits woman. But is that the power of the will we were given as human beings, being, thinking, and living? I don't understand why we as a people that have rational faculties and a gift of logic, we have such an intense desire to destroy what is most beloved, what is most beautiful. It's tragic. The result? So unexpected, but the opposite of ironic. It's bugged. But sometimes it is, and sometimes it is not, the alcohol and the drugs. Sometimes people postulate that a punch to the face and a hand around neck is a personal expression of love. Well, I think love is a word, and words have different meanings to different people. But to me, love is positive. To me, love is positive. Now, my other homegirl, she was married for 7 years before one night, without an argument or a fight, her husband grabbed a knife and stabbed her 7 times, and he has no memory of the incident that almost took the life of his wife. 7 stab wounds over her hands, arms, and chest, and still no explanation as to how a man goes from happily married to schizophrenic and grabbing cutlery to butchering his lover, spouse, and life partner. Now she's trying to hold it all together, and she has no idea what to do. How would you recover? All she has is internal strength as her power. So when I saw her, I extended love to her. I extended love to her, and I extend love to you.